Good evening, traders, and welcome to the Pip Grabber Trading Show. My name is Gary Fickard, known to many as the FxBigDog. And in this show, all we do is chase after 20 pips in the market. We set up a support and resistance level. We buy off those levels and sell off those levels, so buy and sell off those levels. And all we do is you chase after the 20 pips. Now, if you're not sure exactly what we do, stick around. We're going to go into some trades this morning. So welcome to the show. We'll see you right after this. Hi traders, and welcome back to the Pip Grabber Trading Show here on a beautiful Tuesday. It's actually pretty cold here, the coldest it's been I think this whole winter here in Florida, and we're at 39 degrees. And I know some of you are suffering up north where there's snow and it's like minus degrees. I get it. I can't live under that. I definitely need hotter weather. But anyways, the weather seems still pretty cool here. Not so bad and not that cold, but it's still bearable. Now, with that being said, traders, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the market this morning as we start the new week. Last week, we paid out quite a few trades. I have been placing trades in between our trading show because I've been actually broadcasting on a couple of other platforms and setting up the same trade setups and putting trades in. So if you want to go ahead and follow the trades that I do go ahead and implement, make sure that you go ahead and check out the description below. There's a Telegram channel that gives you access to all the trades I place here inside the trading show and maybe outside when I go ahead and trade on other do other shows on other platforms as well. So with that being said, not only in the description is, of course, the link to the Telegram channel, but there is the links to our trade copier, our results that we're doing, how to be able to connect to our social media, how to be able to get to our website, which is TradersNetworkClub.com. Check it out. There's some details there below. But also the trading tool we use called the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Unique, right? Well, that's available as well down below. You can see how you can get access to that. You can go directly to our website, which is TradersNetworkClub.com, and check out all the information there. Now, also on a Tuesday and a Thursday, we have Cameron that comes online through our YouTube channel, and he talks about cryptos, NFTs, all that good stuff that you might need to know about if you're interested in trading cryptos. Now, you want to make sure that you subscribe to both the Traders Network Club as well as the FxBigDog trading channel if you want to get those videos and the content that we do go ahead and post on these channels. So make sure that you go ahead and connect to the channels so you can get access to that information. All right, traders. Well, I hope everyone's doing well. We've got a couple of traders already going ahead and blasting the chat right here and letting me know that they are here. There we go. We've got Adam. Adam's in the house. Good day, Adam, and we'll speak later, Adam. We got looks like we've got Ollie in the house. Good morning, Ollie. We got Orlando. No, hang on. Is that Orlando, Florida? No, I'm just kidding with you. We got Orlando in the house right here. David, good morning to you as well. All right, traders. Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on with the market this morning as we take a look at some trade opportunities. Now, I'm going to go in and take a look at the setups that we have right here. I'm going to open up the chart. Let's get into some details as we jump into some trade opportunities. Now, let's go ahead and make sure that I'm clear on some of my trades. Let's take a look here. It looks like I've got one trade that is still open right here. Let me just go ahead and... All right, so I've still got the one trade right here. Aussie Cat, I actually implemented, I believe that was yesterday on the Aussie Cat. So I'm long on Aussie Cat at the moment right now. I do have multiple positions in on that. We'll keep an eye on that. So Aussie Cat, I'm already in. All the other trades that we placed last week, we have gone ahead and taken profit on that. So we've taken profit on that. Let's look at the new opportunity that we have right here on most of the other currency pairs that are sitting up at the moment right now. And I'm going to go ahead and start off by, let's take a look at the news. Just take a quick look at the news. And it looks like we've got news out this morning. We do have, well, we've got nothing left out this morning. Actually, we're done. We are done with the news on Tuesday. So the next news report is coming out tomorrow for the pound, and that is CPI. That's not going to affect us. We're not going to be trading the pound crosses this morning. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on here. So we're going to skip the Aussie. I'm going to go ahead and skip the Aussie CAD because we're already in on the Aussie CAD right here. And so let's go to the New Zealand CAD. And now the New Zealand CAD is giving us a very similar setup as we see on the Aussie CAD. Look at the two. Both of them are dropping back down to support levels down here. Okay. And so look at the New Zealand CAD also. Actually, in fact, it's actually past the support level. It's past the support level, so it is in this correction. So here we have a wave 1, 2, then we have an irregular flat. Price is taking out that low, so we should be expecting a New Zealand CAD to actually start rallying. So if I look at the larger time frame, it's indicating that New Zealand CAD should be seeing a rally. Now, let me go ahead and move this across here and look and see. Hold on a second. Got to go ahead and get a few things lined up here. Okay, so the New Zealand CAD, I'm going to look at, currently right now we're buying Aussie CAD, all right, that's what we're currently doing right now. The New Zealand CAD normally follows suit, and so I probably want to look for New Zealand CAD to rally. Now, I could hedge my Aussie CAD and go ahead and sell New Zealand CAD, but I'm certainly not going to do it if I'm at support right here, because that's where we want to go ahead and buy. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at these swings inside. And I might move down to the 4-hour time frame just to get a little more data here. So let's see here. So we got a wave 1, got an inside wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. We took out the previous wave high. It's now looking like it wants to go ahead and create a larger swing. But this larger swing, let's go ahead and clean up house here. All of this that we're seeing right here, all of these sub swings need to be cleaned up right here. Because traders, it looks like we are going to chase after a larger swing. So which means if you take a look here, these sub swings have now created this larger swing right here. And so what I want to do here is I'm going to clean up house. And I'm going to look at this and say, okay, it looks to me like we have a large, let's see, a target hit here. Oh, so we have an inside wave 1. Then we had a wave 1, 2, 3 down here. 4 is up here. Looks like we got a lot of setups right here. Let me see here. Oh, we're looking for a bounce. There is no doubt. Look at those indecision. Look at those tweezer bottoms right here. Tweezer bottoms right here. There is no doubt the New Zealand CAD is going to rally. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into a buy on New Zealand CAD right here. I'm going to go ahead and click buy, enter. There it is. We're now long on New Zealand CAD. All right. Now I'm using the Pip Grabber Trading Tool. Once again, if you want to find out information about the Pip Grabber Trading Tool, check out the description below or go directly to our website, go directly to our website, TradersNetworkClub.com. TradersNetworkClub.com. All right, check it out. Now, we're long on that. So I'm long on Aussie CAD. I'm long on New Zealand CAD. Let's go take a look at US dollar CAD right here. Now, I have been, in fact, we've been long on US dollar CAD for some time, but I'm going to move this down to a smaller time frame right here, just because of a couple of things here. Number one, I noticed that we've got this trend line test here, and the market broke below it, came back up again, retest the backside, and so I'm looking at this and I'm saying, it looks to me like we have a bit of range trading right here. Let's pull in this right here. And so we're looking for a breakout of that range. Now I'm going to go ahead and look at the upswings and see if the market's going to be trending up. Where are we at? Well, take a look at that. We created this wave 1. This is the wave 2. This is wave 3 here at the 1.618. Price has come down here, hasn't taken out that wave, the low right here, and now looking for a rally to the upside. We could chase after this target up here at the top, and I'm going to mark that off right there. It's going to be at the 1.27 right here, and that could be that could give us a rally of about 74 pips. Now, just here to break out of this range, we could go around about 20 pips, maybe 18, but I think we got enough to be able to grab 20 pips out of this. I'm going to go long on US dollar CAD. Let's do this. So US dollar CAD right here, there it is there. I'm going to buy US dollar CAD. So I'm bullish on US dollar CAD, bullish on Aussie CAD, and I'm bullish on New Zealand CAD. What is that telling you? It's telling you that we're looking for a downside move in US oil. It must be, because we're trading all three of them bullish. That means we're trading against the Canadian dollar, expecting that to weaken. Must be. So that would mean, I mean, if you think about it realistically, if we are long on US dollar CAD, Aussie CAD, and New Zealand CAD, then what should we do on Canadian Swiss? Well, before I go ahead and just sell a Canadian Swiss, let me take a look at US oil and see what's going on with US oil right here. So let's go to US oil. Oh, snap. Oh, yeah. It's over, Johnny. All right, so we've seen a nice little downside move right here already on US oil. Now, I get it. Just this little bit of move doesn't really necessarily mean the trend's heading south. But we have been talking about a sell-off on US oil. And US oil is right here at the top. Look at that. Look at that resistance right here at the top right here. We got to see some rejection of that level. So what does that mean? That means on the on the CAD Swiss, without even looking at the charts, all right, I'm just going to be blinded right here and just say that the CAD Swiss, I'm going to be looking to sell CAD Swiss right here. All right, CAD Swiss, I'm going to go with everything we've seen so far on the Aussie CAD, New Zealand CAD, and the US dollar CAD, all saying weakness out of the Canadian. Sell Canadian right now. I'm going to go short Canadian Swiss. So there it is. I'm short Canadian Swiss. Let's see how that plays out. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at US dollar, Euro US dollar right here, and figure out what we're going to do here on Euro US dollar. Now, let's take a look. Now, Russ says here, is that due to oil going higher? It's due to the oil price, if that's what you're asking. It's due to oil price going lower. All right, going lower. All right, Sebastian says here, there's a question here. Sebastian says here, Spanish channel. Yes, soon, my friend, soon. All right, we are busy getting it set up. So the Spanish channel will come soon for the Pip Grabber. Yep, for those that are Spanish speaking. All right, good morning, Cheryl. Good morning to you. Now, Jack says here, why didn't my Pip Grabber close on the US dollar CAD, New Zealand CAD? Jack, sorry, it's John. John, I don't know. You may want to reach out to the support guys and check out and find out. They can go ahead and do a double check. They'll check your account, check everything else, and find out what's going on. Check out, go to support and go ahead and contact support. Do it after the session, right? Go to support, check with support. And we haven't closed out US dollar CAD yet, all right? If you're talking about, and I want to remind John, there is two types. I keep telling you every week about this. There are the trading show trades, right? Yeah, that we do here on the trading show. These trading show trades that I place manually. And then we have the Pip Grabber, all right? The Pip Grabber Trade Copier. There are two separate trading things, all right? Two separate trading signals. Just to make sure that you're clear on that, because I know we have not closed out on US dollar CAD on the Trade Copier yet. So if you're talking about the Trade Copier, that's a different signal, all right? Check with support, go to the online support and check with support. They can go ahead and help you with that, all right? All right. Yes, you're talking about the trade Copier, right? He's just confirmed that. All right. So we are going to take a look at right now. We're going to go ahead and take a look at US dollar traded against. So this is Euro US dollar right here. Now, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Well, traders, let's see here. Okay. Firstly, number one, we've got to look at the overall setup right here. We have gone ahead and broken out of this range. Now, clearly, traders, that we can see that price has moved back inside the range, which places a bit of concern that maybe the market's going to go ahead and stay in the range. Now, which means that I've got to look at this a little more objective here. So I've got a downward swing. We hit a third wave down here. We're seen a third wave hit, and now we're looking for a fourth wave correction. Now, let me go up here. So what are we going to expect in dollar? What am I expecting in dollar? Let's go to dollar index. Take a look at dollar index here. Dollar index is rallying, but I'm expecting a turnaround and head down south. So I'm actually expecting dollar to weaken. If dollar weakens, that's what's going to happen to the euro US dollar. Euro US dollar should rally, right? So I'm going to go back to euro US dollar right here, and I'm going to suspect that we're going to pull back off the support and we're going to get a bounce, even if it just means 20 pips. So what I'm going to do on euro US dollar, I'm going to go ahead and buy. So euro US dollar right here, I'm going to buy this dip, and I'm going to look for the price to bounce back up again. So I'm going to go long on euro US dollar right here, and let's go ahead and see how that plays out. All right, traders, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Let's see what we've got. We've got here US dollar CAD long. We got New Zealand CAD long. We got Aussie CAD long. We've got Swiss CAD Swiss. We went blindly and we just went short CAD Swiss because we don't believe that the Canadian dollar is going to strengthen but weaken. That's going to go ahead and create a downside move. So we went CAD Swiss. We just threw that one in as a bonus. We said the other three are going short on CAD. We're going to go ahead and just throw that one in as a bonus, and we went short on CAD Swiss. We'll take a look and see how that plays out. And then we looked at the dollar index. Dollar index looks like it's going to go ahead and sell off. It's been rallying over the last few hours just because of this correction move. In fact, I would say the last 24 hours, we've seen some rally. Maybe we throw 48 hours being seen some rally. But now we're expecting price to move down. Dollar's going to weaken. If dollar weakens, euro dollar is going to rally. So we went ahead and said we're buying in on euro US dollar, and we're going to go ahead and see how that plays out this morning. That's it, traders. We got 5 solid trades in right now. We did go ahead and we are still continuing with our Aussie CAD, but we've got 5 trades that are currently active right now. If you want to check out the trades for the entry points, if we add on any additional trades, if you want to see us close out our trades or get confirmation of our closed trades, check out the description below. There is a Telegram link. Check it out. Make sure as well you check out our trade copier, the results, fantastic results so far. If you're here for the first time, we did close out with 153% last year in 2021, and we closed out with 18,500 pips last year as well. Check out the description below, get connected, join the Traders Network Club. Traders, have a fantastic day. We'll see everyone back again in the session tomorrow. Same time, same place, and same trades. I'll see you then. This is FxBigDog signing out.